Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Callum Moves, the home to reviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, and documenting my fitness journey. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Today, we're diving into a coffee that's not just about taste, it's about health too. We're talking about Feel Reformed coffee, a unique blend that includes 17 grams of collagen protein per serving. If you're looking for a coffee that goes beyond the caffeine kick, this might be one for you. So what exactly is Feel Reformed coffee? This isn't your average cup of joe. Feel Reformed coffee combines high-quality organic coffee beans with a health-boosting twist. It's infused with 17 grams of collagen protein per serving, along with adaptogens and functional mushrooms like lion's mane and chaga. The idea is to create a coffee that not only wakes you up, but also supports your overall wellness, including benefits for your skin, hair, and joints thanks to the collagen. But how does it taste? Let's find out. First, let's talk about packaging. Feel Reformed coffee comes in this sleek, resealable bag that's designed to keep your coffee fresh. In the welcome pack, you also get a metal container, whisk, and glass bottle. It's simple, stylish, and packed with info about its unique ingredients, like the 17 grams of collagen protein, organic and fair trade certification, and those functional mushrooms we mentioned earlier. Right off the bat, it feels like a premium product. The aroma is really inviting, rich, nutty, and just a hint of something more, probably from the functional ingredients. I'm excited to brew this up, so let's get to it. Alright, we've brewed our cup of Feel Reformed coffee. I went with an iced coffee today with cold milk, but this will work with any brewing style you prefer, hot or cold, with your choice of dairy or plant-based milk or water. Let's see how it tastes. It's really smooth. The flavour is well balanced, nutty with a slight earthiness from the functional ingredients, but it still tastes like coffee, not a supplement. The collagen protein doesn't affect the taste at all, which is a big plus. It's still a clean, light finish with none of the bitterness you sometimes get from other coffees. I have to say, I'm really impressed with how it all comes together. It's a full-bodied coffee experience that's satisfying without that typical caffeine crash. And knowing you're getting 17 grams of collagen protein with each serving feels like an added bonus, especially if you're into fitness or looking to support your skin and joint health. Now let's dig into the health benefits. Besides the great taste, Feel Reformed coffee is packed with 17 grams of collagen protein, which is fantastic for supporting your skin, hair, nails, and joints. Plus, the adaptogens like ashwagandha and functional mushrooms such as lion's mane and chaga help with focus, stress reduction, and immune support. So you're really getting a lot more than just a caffeine boost. So let's talk price. Feel Reformed coffee is definitely on the premium side, but considering it's more than just coffee, the cost feels justified. You're getting high quality organic beans, 17 grams of collagen, and an additional health boosting ingredients all in one cup. If you're someone who spends on supplements and high end coffee, this might actually end up saving you some money in the long run. All in all, I'm really impressed with Feel Reformed coffee. It's a unique blend that delivers on taste and packs in some impressive health benefits, including that 17 grams of collagen protein per serving. If you're looking to elevate your coffee routine and add some wellness into your daily habit, it's definitely worth a try. That's it for today's review. Have you tried Feel Reformed coffee or something similar? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. If you've got this far into the video, there's a good chance that you're into health and fitness, so why not watch the video currently on the screen, my how-to guide on how to make Element electrolytes at home and save hundreds of dollars. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.